years old. I live in Bandung. I live at Widuri Street number 1. I'm a student at Cempaka Putih Junior High School. My favorite subject is English. My hobby is dancing. So, what is she doing? Apa yang sedang dilakukan Mano? Ya, she is telling her identity atau menjelaskan tentang identitasnya. For more explanation, let's go to the chapter 2 entitled This Is Me. So, in this chapter, we will learn 3 materials. The first one is our identities, tentang identitas kita. So, we will learn to tell, answer, and ask other people about our names, our origins, and our home address. Kita akan belajar menceritakan, menjawab, dan bertanya kepada orang lain tentang nama, asal, dan alamat rumah. Second, our hobbies and what we like, kegemaran kita atau hobi kita dan apa yang kita sukai. So, we will learn to tell more information about ourselves. Jadi kita akan belajar menceritakan informasi yang lebih banyak lagi tentang diri kita kepada orang lain. Third, the members of our family, anggota keluarga kita. So, we will learn to tell each other the member of our family. So, we will learn to tell each other the members of our family. Jadi kita akan mempelajari bagaimana menceritakan anggota keluarga kita kepada orang lain. Now, let's go to the first material about our identities. But before we start the material, I will introduce myself first. Please listen carefully. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfi Rahmawati. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Balikpapan. I live at Swadaya Street number 15. I'm an English teacher at Patra Darmatu Junior High School. My hobby is reading a book. Okay, I have introduced myself to you and I will explain the information that you can use to introduce yourself to others. First, when we tell our identity or introduce ourselves, we should greet someone first. Jadi, pada saat kita menceritakan identitas kita atau memperkenalkan diri kita, sebaiknya kita mengucapkan salam terlebih dahulu, seperti Assalamualaikum or Good morning. Next, introducing ourselves atau memperkenalkan diri. There are some expressions that we can use to introduce ourselves, such as let me introduce myself. Hello, my name is blah 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 or I'm blah blah blah. But here, I use let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfi Rahmawati. Jadi ada beberapa cara untuk memperkenalkan diri. Kalian bisa menggunakan let me introduce myself. Bisa juga menggunakan hello, my name is Aina or I'm Aina. Next, telling our age atau mengucapkan umur atau usia. For example, I'm 28 years old. Saya berusia 28 tahun. And don't forget to add years old. Misalkan kalian berumur 15 tahun, jadi I'm 15 years old. Atau kalian berusia 13 tahun, I am 13 years old. Next, origin or asal. For example, I'm from Balikpapan. Saya berasal dari Balikpapan. Address atau alamat. When you tell your address more specific, you use at. Jadi, ketika kalian memberitahu alamat rumah kalian yang lebih spesifik, kalian menggunakan preposisi at. For example, I live at Swadaya Street number 15. But when you tell only the name of the street, you use on. For example, I live on Jalan Gunung Ciremai. Jadi ketika kalian memberitahu alamat rumah kalian tapi hanya memberitahu nama jalannya saja, kalian bisa menggunakan preposisi on. Ya. Then, when we introduce ourselves to others, we can say our job, like me. I am an English teacher at Patra Dharmatu Junior High School. Then, telling our hobby atau memberitahu hobi kita. For example, my hobby is reading a book. Hobi saya adalah membaca buku. Now, it's your turn to tell your identities. And don't forget to write down in your English book. Number 1, hi, my name is. 2, I come from. 3, I live in. I am blah 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 years old. My birthday is on. I'm a student at. My favorite subject is. My hobby is, or my hobbies are. Asking about someone's names, urgence, and home address. Menanyakan nama seseorang, asal dan alamat rumah. Please listen the dialogue carefully. What's your name? My name is Hasnida. Where are you from? I'm from West Sumatra. Where do you live? I live in Padang, in Kampung Mutiara, on Jalan Kemangi. To be precise, I live at 23 Jalan Kemangi. And you? What's your name? I'm Max Bay. Where are you from? I'm from East Nusa Tenggara. Where do you live? I live in Kupang, in Kecamatan Angkasa, on Jalan Denpasar. Precisely, I live at 5 Jalan Denpasar. From the dialogue, the teacher asks the students about their name, origin, and home address. So, what information that you get from the dialogue? Yeah, there are 2 students here, Hasnida and Max Bay. Hasnida from West Sumatra and Max Bay from East Nusa Tenggara. Hasnida lives in Padang, in Kampung Mutiara, and Max Bay live in Kupang, in Kecamatan Angkasa, on Jalan Denpasar. So, if you want asking someone's names, you can use what's your name atau siapa namamu. And someone's origins atau asal seseorang, you say where are you from? Kamu berasal dari mana? Someone's home address, you say where do you live? Kamu tinggal di mana atau di mana rumahmu? The other questions, if you want asking someone's age, you say how old are you? Berapa usiamu atau berapa umurmu? Their date of birth, tanggal kelahiran, you say what is your date of birth? Or when were you born? Kapan kamu lahir? Someone's hobby atau kegemaran seseorang, you say what is your hobby? And where do you study? Di mana kamu sekolah? And the last one is what is your favorite subject? Apa mata pelajaran kesukaanmu?